Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, I got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. If you guys can see, it's by the brand called Foam Master. And if you guys don't remember, I actually reviewed this product before in the past, and this time I have like a little update video about how it's been and about this newer version that they just sent me. So first things first, let me actually open up the new one first to show you guys what it looks like first. So just like the first one, they provide you the case with the memory foam ear tips itself. And then they provide you a little thank you card, a little instruction card right here with the logo right there, as you can see. So when you guys open it up, you guys can see that it comes with a bunch of sizes. So there's small, medium, and large. So if you guys take a look at it, this is basically what it looks like. Looks very similar to the one that I reviewed from last time. It is still memory foam, and the way how you guys know is that when you guys push it or squeeze it, you guys can see that it's emerged, but it slowly get back in shape. In terms of the comfort of what it feels like, it definitely feels really soft and really mushy and whatnot, kind of like your pillows if you guys have memory foam pillows. But basically what's new about the product itself is the fact that the material is actually much better, so they improved the material a little bit. And also like the snapping part is a higher quality material as well. So just the overall material that they use is changed and improved. So actually will feel much better when you guys put it in the ear, but also the fact that it's much easier to snap on and snap off on the actual Airpods Pro itself. And if you guys don't remember how to snap on and snap off the product itself, you guys can check out the previous video that I did, which I'll link down below, so you guys can actually go check it out. But that's basically the product itself. Now I want to talk about the product itself and how well it's been and everything to give you guys a little update of the product itself. Last time I told you guys how it actually starts falling off and whatnot, but the reason for that is because I didn't put it in all the way. But if you guys put the product in all the way in your ear, then you guys should be fine and it shouldn't fall off, because I've been using it for quite some time now with the product where it's plugged in all the way, and it actually kept it on pretty well. I know it's gonna be weird because it's not like a silicone material and this is actually memory foam material, so it's gonna take some time to get used to it. But once you guys get used to it, definitely will feel a lot more better and a lot more comfortable than using your typical silicone material that they provide you on the actual Airpods Pro itself. But is it a huge difference though? That's the question for you guys, because everyone has their own like opinion and own preference and experience for each product that they use. This is just my experience of so far of how it's been using the product itself. I definitely love the ease of the product itself, how easy it is to use and how easy it is to snap on and snap off the product itself on your Airpods Pro. I think the only issue that I have about the product itself is the pricing. I think the pricing is really high for something like this, but you guys are definitely paying for like that quality material of the memory foam and the snapping on part of the actual ear tips itself. So pretty much long story short, to answer the question of whether or not it's actually still worth it or not, I have to say that this is actually worth it if you guys need one or want one of these. Especially if you guys don't like the pain or the feeling of the actual Airpods Pro with the silicone tip itself. This will definitely make a huge difference when you guys use it. But I do know a few friends where they have the regular silicone one where they actually like it a lot and they don't mind the pain because they got used to the pain as they use it more and more often and whatnot. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want one or don't need one or got used to the pain of the actual Airpods Pro itself, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else they actually do need. And one last thing that I want to mention is that if I get enough of you guys who are interested in one of these, then I'll probably do like a giveaway partnership with the actual company itself to send a few of these out to you guys as a giveaway. So if you guys want one, then make sure to comment down in the comment section down below. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing, testing, and feedback of this product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have